Okay, I've got your plan open in Chief Architect X10. It's basically the same thing as Home Designer Pro 2019, just more tools. I'm not going to use any of those specialized tools. I am going to turn the grid off. I never used the grid since they added it several versions ago. And you'll find in using this software, when you want to get a result, there's more than one way to do it. Like I've got the same wall type handle turned on, so I'm just going to turn the corner. The only thing wrong with this, as you've noticed, is that there's raw wood on the end here. Well, there's base molding inside the quote shower unquote. So one way to do that, we got a dialog box here for this. So go over to the moldings tab and just turn off the moldings inside the shower, because showers don't have moldings. And out here in the bathroom, I want to be able to control the moldings. So again, I'm going to open the dialog box over to moldings, and I'm going to delete that. Now this wall here, it's got, you open a wall up and go to wall types, define. It's got wood in the middle. Oh, it's only doing what it's supposed to do. But a way to get around that, and you can use a soffit or you can use a slab. What I'm going to show you is just we're going to take this wall and make it invisible. And so now it doesn't show wood, doesn't show anything. And we'll replace it with a slab. Just going to draw a two-dimensional figure over the top of that. Grab the edge. There we go. We'll convert that two-dimensional object to a 3D object and called a slab. And then this dialog tells me how I wanted that custom 3D object defined. I want it 1 inch below the floor. I don't want to show any gaps. And we'll make it 8 feet tall. I'll go back to the camera. You got this, well, okay. You grab that again. It's probably way below the floor. Yeah, gotta watch those. And then -1. Okay, so now we have an 8-foot tall wall there. I'm gonna take the eyedropper and in component mode, put drywall. And you know, there's a wall without any base mold on it. Now, most of my showers, the glass and the walls don't go all the way to the ceiling. So I'm going to open a cross-section camera, kind of go at that angle there, and then you can clearly see with a vector view camera these walls. I'm going to click on that wall polyline and pull it down to 8 feet to match the wall, adjacent wall. These are just, oh, the wall, this is what defines the wall in 3D. Pull that down, make it match. Okay, now I've got 2 glass walls and a solid wall, apparently, at least from appearances. And then you go on from there. Now, how do we selectively put the moldings back in the bathroom? Let's give this a name, call it bath. Okay, now I'm gonna right click in here and see if Home Designer Pro, oh well, I don't know if Home Designer Pro has this command or not, but Chief Premier does. Okay, I'm gonna make a room molding polyline. I think that command exists in Home Designer Pro. I could be wrong. And I want a blank molding 0 inches high. We'll, yeah. Okay, so now with this, I can click on this part of the line and open it up, and no molding on that selected edge of that polyline. Same thing over here. Now here, I think I would want a molding. So I'm going to turn molding on. And then here, next to the glass, I'm going to turn molding on. So I want to check one more thing. I'm not going to do anything to that line. I just wanted to open the dialog. Okay, I need to add a molding, don't I? I was pretty sure it didn't automatically add one. So we'll go over here to the library and go to base molding and pick something. Doesn't matter for this tutorial what. And that's how you can control the look of your shower. So you've got base molding over here and here, but not here. Looks like there's something sticking up there. What is that? I'm not sure, but I'm just going to go over here. Oh, I see. Oh, okay, that's the, let me just pull that over here. I'm going to grab this polyline and shove it over that. So I don't want that showing. There we go. That looks better. And then, of course, in the dialog box for the shower, you can make the floor whatever you want. You could put a shower pan in there, and we're using various other tools, wall covering or soffits, or put a tile surround in here. If you don't want it to go all the way to the ceiling, then I would use a wall covering. I'll just show you one. I'm going to put a wall break right there to take this piece of the wall, this common to the shower, away from this other piece, which is general to the bathroom. And I'm just going to do the one wall. See, there's the exterior. I want something on the interior, so we'll go to wall covering, add new, and yeah. Okay, so my library browser open over here. I've done for this. Okay, I'm going to go over the manufacturer's catalogs and get dowel tile and ceramic. And then from that, yeah, I'll pick that. That's fine for this. And we'll put that. See how it's already on there on the interior. You can put it on the exterior or the interior. And control the height. I want it to be 96 inches tall. I think the bathroom is set to 9 feet tall, and we want the floor to bottom to be 0. And there's your tile on that one wall. That's one way to do it. It's not the only way. Yeah, see? So that should help you on your way, and thanks for watching. Have a good day.